Hello everyone. We will start from today how to actually create an interior scene. Okay. Now suppose this is my geometry. Fine. Till now we have checked that how to uh, you can say how to trace the geometry. Okay, from 2D, then convert it into the 3D. After that we have seen how to cut the doors and windows. Okay, and after that we have seen that how to take the white render. Okay, now let's start with the interior scenes. Okay, as this geometry is not uh, we can't create a great elevation from this geometry. We at least need a two-story building to create the geometry, but right now I am having only this geometry, so we will start with the interior design first. Okay, so suppose I need to design this room. Okay, this is the bedroom and I need to design it. And so what we will do, first of all we should have a mood board or an inspiration with us, what exactly design we are going to create in a room. Okay, now if I show you, so this is the inspiration I have taken. So I will be creating my room somewhat like this, in which I will be having some panel, uh, wooden panel, mirror, okay, sitting, almirah, and also this storage, and also bedroom hai to we will having a bed for bed area. Okay, now why I have chosen that inspiration, it totally up to you. Okay, now just because my geometry actually resonates with it, if I go to the now you can see we have a window here. Okay, so it almost resonate with it because we have a window here this side. Okay, we can have some storage here, then a panel, then these panels, mirror on the side, and of course on this side we can have the almirah. Now if I will check my room, it is almost like that I can have almirah here. Okay, however all these plannings are done by the designer. As a 3D artist, we only have to showcase whatever design the designer has created. Okay, or interior designer, it can be the architect. Okay, but as of now, as I'm showing you how to create, suppose we are having this uh, type of design, then how to create it. Okay, now first of all, as per my geometry, I will start with the ball design. Okay, so today we will see how to create these designs. Okay, and this is my page. Okay, so you can actually check out this design on my Instagram page, that is Kajal Punia Designs. Okay, there you can check out this design to get the actual view. Okay, now let me design the wall panels and all. Okay, so for that we will start. I will take this, go to the wireframe mode. So this is my wall. Now by going in any view, I am not able to get the exact wall, so I have to check out once again. Okay, so my wall is actually snapping from here to here. Okay, so I will just take a rectangle geometry. The thing is, I like to make the thing simple. There are so much you can say elements here you can use to create the geometry. However, I would prefer that I only use spline or the poly. It actually make the things easy. Okay, because I don't have to command on all the elements or all the settings which are given in the software. My output is that I need to design the room. Okay, so make sure you actually select by which command or by which element you are going to design your geometry, so that it will become easy. Otherwise you will going to learn all those commands and it actually don't make any benefit, because the output matter. It doesn't matter how you have created it. Okay, so try to create a simple geometry. Okay, so I will take the rectangle. You can even take the line. Okay, now this is my rectangle. I will create it up to half. Okay, and however, if designer will give you the design, it will be having a proper dimension. Okay, right now I don't have any dimension, so I am just creating it so that we can have the same look. Okay, extrude, I will apply of 10 mm because width will how much width we have given it generally will not show. So I will just snap this panel. Here we check. So this is my wooden panel. Okay, great. Now I have to create those rectangular small panels. Okay, for that we can actually take copy of it and change its dimension. It's totally up to us. Okay, whether you want to create a new geometry. I will just copy it and we'll change the rectangle dimensions. Okay, almost suppose let it to be 50 mm. I guess good to go. Yeah, and we need to increase the extrude as well. Okay, let's take it 10 only because we have taken the panel also as 10. There is another way to design that whole particular panel. Let me just show you. It will actually help us to create it more easily. So what I would do, I will just copy it out. Okay, actually to create one thing there are multiple ways. Okay, so our work with time you will actually get to know that uh, you will get the essence that how can I start the geometry so that it will get completed within the time and it don't take that much time from me. Now I have converted the rectangle into the editable spline because I need to do some modification on this geometry. Okay, so I will apply the extrude now. Let's have 50 mm extrude. Okay, now what I will do, I will convert it into edit poly and we will, let me actually go to the isolate so that I can show you. So this is, I will just select upper edge and down edge. Okay, like this. Now it's totally up to me how many connects I want to do. The same thing which we learned while creating the door and window. Okay, I will just insert the edges. Okay, but how much edges do I want to insert? You can actually go to connect from here or either you can go from here. Okay, it's totally up to you. You can right click and go to connect. Now this I will click on this box. If I will click on connect, it will only give me one edge, but if I will click here, then I have the advanced setting that how much edges do you want to add. Now suppose I want, yeah, And if I go to the top view, let me show you. So the edges are already added. Now if I will increase this, let me show you what is happening. If I will increase it, it is actually going what should be the distance between the edges. Okay, so I will not modify it, actually leave it to the whatever it was. Okay, now we have added the edge. I will just okay. Now what we need to do, I just need to select inside edges. Okay, that is already selected. Okay, and we will add extrude into it. Now before that I will go to the top view, extrude. Okay, now here you can see that you can actually extrude vertically or horizontally. Okay, now if I will increase it, let's see what happens. You can see the edges are actually extending outward, but I want it inside. So let me just give it minus 10 mm. Okay, and here it is also 10 mm. Okay, I guess we have just deselected the elements. Now again minus 10 mm. Select it again. Let me go to the extrude. First I will add minus 10 mm, and here as well. Okay, 10 mm. It will be 10 mm. Okay, now you can see what has happened is that we have groove in our panel. If I will actually show you like this, so here you can see we got the groove in our panel. And if I go to the, you can see I guess the panel should be more small in size. We have bigger panels, so we can actually repeat the same process and increase the edges number of count. Till now we have added 14 edges. We can actually make them double. Okay, and then we can do the same process. In this way the panel will get created. Okay, now if I will go and check my geometry how it is looking, for that let me add a camera here. Okay, how we will add the camera, go to this Corona Cam, uh, let me add the camera from here. We'll go to the setting, on it. So this is my camera. I guess we should have that same camera. Okay, whatever is shown in my reference. So let me just select my camera and I will apply my camera from here. Now you can see that we are actually kind of able to see my whole screen, whole scene. Okay. Um, we increase it little. And let me go to the viewpoint. 60 degree. Okay, shutter. Field of view. 70 doesn't look good. 60. Okay, we can have this. Now you can see we have panel. Okay, and we will add some other elements as well with time. Now the one thing is left, I have a mirror here. Okay, so we will add the mirror. Let me hide the cameras. For that we can actually do one thing. You can actually decrease that panel and this panel also, because we need to add 3 elements here, and also make it extrude up to the same level, 50 mm. Okay, and for mirror it's just simple rectangle again, right? I can just take this, shift, copy. Why I have taken copy? Because whatever changes I will make here, it will not reflect on that. Okay, if you want that the geometry should reflect the changes, then you can take the instance. So what I will do, just snap it. I will just decrease its width like whatever size you want for the mirror, like this. Okay. Now I will just snap it. So basically we need to, we can adjust it up. I can just do it now. Snap it here. Okay, let me decrease its size. So this was the scaling. It comes with R. If you press R on the keyboard, or you can use this option. See. Okay, whatever you like. You can actually scale any geometry using this option. Okay, so that we don't have to create the geometry from the scratch. If there is just minor adjustment, you can do it using. Now if I will go to the camera, it would look like this. If I go to the full geometry, now see, this is my mirror, these are the panels, and so wall is done. We can increase the edges in this. We need to actually, it actually has really, the panels are of really big size, we need to reduce them. So in this way you can actually create the whole wall design. Okay, after applying the material and all, it will look exactly like that. So I hope you got it till now. we will see you in the next video, and we will check how to create almirah, table, and the even storage part. Okay, thank you so much.